see like this.
Yeah.
You can do distressing.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. We do a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want sweatsuits like this.
Sure. Sure.
Pants and top.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, we have. I see here. We already do.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And oh, the other one I do give away. Yeah. See here. Yeah.
How much would these be? About
Not quite expensive. No worries.
not quite expensive.
Yeah, not quite expensive. Yeah. If you can place the order like 4 styles, 5 styles together, yeah, I can try to lower the cost for you. If you only have 1 style, 50 pieces total, then the price goes up.
Yeah, I don't want one. I would have to get. I have to get
And
more than one.
the point is like, what I want to tell you, you already have your own store, so we built the relationship for each other is long term.
Yeah.
No one time business, and you already visit here, so you know how we work, and we really focus on our reputation. I believe you have a lot of friends. They want to do your brand, so we will definitely do your business well. You can give me more recommendations.
I have plenty people.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
would
yeah.
love to get here.
Yeah.
Like, that would love to get here.
So we like take your business is about our reputation. Yeah. So we want to do good job, and you don't need to find a lot of vendor in Alibaba. Yeah. Right?
I would love to not have vendors on Alibaba. So like,
Yeah.
so
And we travel a lot. Like our team travel a lot. Like now we come here, and next time we go to your place. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah.
Like if you have more business, we send our team to go to your place. Yeah.
Like you see this? So, a person on Alibaba made this for me,
Mhm.
right? But I wanted the stitching to be thicker,
Yeah.
big stitching, like True Religion.
Yeah. You
know?
want a thicker?
Yeah, the stitching, the white.
It's thinner.
I wanted it more like, wanted to make it more like an outline, like see how it is.
Yeah.
But the stitching was so small,
Mhm.
and then they made the logo up too high. They didn't center it.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
know?
Do not position.
But the pants and everything was perfect. The fit of the pants.
Yeah.
This is what I'm looking for. I
Yeah.
want to redo these, but better.
Yeah. How much they charge you?
I want to say somewhere. I don't even remember, honestly. It was so long ago. Yeah, that's my logo.
Oh. Cool. Cool.
Yeah, so it's like,
So you normally sell on store? You put in boutique.
I
store?
sell my stuff to other stores. Other stores sell my clothes right now until I open my store. Then I'll have my store online and other stores.
Great. Great.
Right.
It's good. It's good. Yeah.
These are all shirts that I've just made. Shirts I've been working on. Stuff I've been working on. So I
Yeah.
work on it.
Tell me the design you want to make now, and I give you offer.
Okay.
Yeah. It's easy, including the order in other place. If they can do, we can do.
Right.
Yeah. Right. It's simple. You already have the experience, and
Yeah.
I can just be transparent for you. Yeah, and support your business go up faster.
Yes.
Yeah, just for you now, scale out the business. Now you need to be high efficient, right? If you deal with a lot of people, then you cannot focus on the growth of your business. You always take care of the problem or some issue, how to push them to be faster, communicate well, and maybe some of their consultants, their sales, do not speak English well. They just send by email or WhatsApp. Right? It's a headache.
Yeah, and it is. It's a big headache. It's hard to really like. It's hard to communicate sometimes.
Yeah.
Like I was trying to get hoodies like these for women.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I have her try it on. But this is what we seen in the store.
Yeah, yeah.
I said, no, I
Is
like
it in a baseball store?
No, this is a clothing store, like in the mall.
Yeah. Okay.
But this is the hoodie they had in there. But I like
Yeah.
it. I
The
like
the design is
to it myself. The design is cool.
And you know what? Our sales.
Look, this is you.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
y'all, right?
Yeah.
ApparelWin, right?
Yeah, my colleague.
Okay, and they're in New York.
Yeah, we no, we have another one in my no, in Washington D.C.
Washington, yeah.
Yeah.
You got one like this?
Uh,
Showroom or factory?
showroom,
okay.
but that showroom is work with another fashion brand. He built out their own agency business, and then we work with them. Yeah.
Well, I know I want to put this on hoodies and sweatpants.
Yes.
I want to put this on hoodies and sweatpants.
So it's one design and two.
That one.
That one and the dog one.
Which one?
The dog.
The dog, yeah.
Yeah.
The dog. The dog, okay, so the dog, the...
Maybe you can airdrop the picture to me and I take a note.
the artwork like this or the